Omukwenda Akugizibo Bisaka has been installed as the heir to the late Owobusobozi Ruhanga Bisaka, the fallen leader of the Unity of Faith. He is tasked to carry on the unity of faith and grow it further, but with proper relations with government, especially President Yoweri Museveni, who has enabled religion prosper in Uganda. He calls for unity among members to enable him carry on the task at his disposal, minus any hindrances from within. He lauds all that play various roles in ensuring the unity of faith remains strong in all places like Kampala, Bunyoro and Mubende, and calls for financial education to boost incomes of the followers.